How to make refreshing cucumber water. Easy and healthy recipe. Hey there. Welcome to our channel MTech HD. In today's video, I'll show you how to make refreshing cucumber water, a simple yet incredibly hydrating drink that's perfect for detoxing, staying cool, and adding a spa-like touch to your daily routine. To start, wash and thinly slice one fresh cucumber. You don't need to peel it, as the skin contains extra nutrients. Next, grab a pitcher and fill it with about 8 cups of cold, filtered water. Add the cucumber slices to the water, and for an added burst of flavor, toss in a few sprigs of fresh mint and a couple of lemon or lime slices. Stir everything together and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour to allow the flavors to infuse. When you're ready to serve, pour the cucumber water over ice for an extra cooling effect. This drink is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits, including improved hydration, better digestion, and glowing skin. Plus, it's a great alternative to sugary drinks. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel MTech HD for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips.